What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do a quick review of these BAGAIL, I believe is how you pronounce it, BAGAIL packing cubes. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these packing cubes, including one thing I think you should know before buying. Well, I got these packing cubes because, like probably anybody that's watching this, packing for a trip is fine and all, but it becomes a little bit difficult when you have a lot of things that you're trying to pack into your suitcase and they don't fit. So I got these in the hopes that they would kind of compress down and save some space, and they've done a great job of doing so. So how it actually works, so we have obviously a large bag here, medium bag here, smaller bag here, and then this is the compression bag. So how does it work? Really not all that crazy. Basically, you put your stuff into these bags, right? And then you put those bags into here, and you have it so that this bag is unzipped while you do that, right? That's basically the biggest thing. And then when everything's in here and all folded up nicely, you will then compress it down by using the zipper system, which will then compress it down into this mini bag right here. Now it's important to note, I got the 4-pack just because that's what I thought that I needed. They have a 5 and a 6-pack as well, but I just didn't see a need for it, and I don't necessarily regret that decision, though it probably would have been nice to have a few more bags, so maybe I do. So in terms of these and how well they work, well, first off, they are like a nylon material, and they are durable. I've been kind of surprised at how well the zippers and things have been holding up. I think I've taken, it's been 3 trips with these so far, and have used them each time, and they've done a good job just with, actually compressing a little bit, but also just kind of keeping all my clothes in one area. That's one of my favorite things about it. Just keeps it organized, and it does definitely save the space, but just how it keeps it organized, I like that a lot. Quick little funny story that you'll appreciate. I was actually at one point had to carry this in my carry-on, and I went to the washroom inside of an airplane, and I accidentally dropped this in the sink. Thankfully not the toilet, while I was in the washroom, and it is water repellent, which is kind of a random thing, but it is nice because my clothes didn't get wet. This actually has like a sheen on it, and it'll make it so that if you do put some water on it, you're gonna be okay. It's not gonna wet your clothes. So that was a nice thing that happened. But yeah, overall, these have been really good. Now, in terms of the thing that I think that you should know about it, so they are durable. Like I said, they're water resistant. There's a lot of good things about them. The one thing to realize, this isn't a huge bag, right? So I guess what I'm trying to tell you is make sure that you don't overpack these bags. If you overpack these and try to shove them into this bag here, there's only limited space. So obviously that's not gonna work. So one thing to consider is that when you're doing this, you don't want super heavy packing in these, because if you do that and you try to compress them, it's just not gonna work. Usually I'll put like 3 to 4 pieces of clothing in each of these, and then I'm able to compress it down in this. Sometimes a little bit less if it's jeans, things like that. But overall, yeah, definitely really like these. Have had really good experience with them so far. Highly recommend if you're considering yourself, and hope that you enjoy.